Hello viewers, welcome to Tradabulls. Nifty closed more than 100 points plus. So yesterday's close was somewhere below 25,000 mark. So today it was above 25,000 mark, and entire day the market intraday data was showing as strong buy, and out of 22 observations, 19 observations positive side succeeded. Banknifty also strong buy since morning. So 15 out of 22 positive observations closed. Even IT also strong by 22 out of 22 observations successfully positive side closed. Even mid-cap also strong buy. And coming to weekly data, last 2 days data, so still Nifty is in hold. So one point of time it was entered into the strong buy. Last 1 hour, I think it was more than 80 to 90 points profit booking happened. So till 25,130 to 25,041 mark. So Bank Nifty strong buy even on weekly chart. IT still it is in neutral. Fin Nifty neutral. Next 50 neutral, and mid cap up. So coming to major data points for Nifty. Yesterday we clearly mentioned in our analysis that's 24,743 was the major support for Nifty, which is equal to 61.8% of last month's range. So 24,750 and 25,005. So 25,005 was 38.2% of last week's range. Even yesterday we mentioned these two numbers, 25,005, 24,743. These two are the breakout numbers. Today, Nifty closed above 25,000 mark very strongly. And one point of the time, it was reached till 25,130 level. So, which is equal to 61.8% of last week's range. 25,130 is last week's range. Last week's 61.8% level. So, today exactly it retested that level and closed somewhere 25,040 level. So anyhow, closed above 25,000 mark, and also 24,974 was the monthly's 78.6%. So the next probable number would be last month's high, that is 25,268. So 25,268 would be the next target for Nifty as long as it holds 24,974. And coming to weekly's data, today's high is most important. 25,130 is equal to 61.8% of last week's range. So if it breaks, the next probable number for weekly data are 25,220 and 25,333, which is all-time high. So 25,333 and 25,219. So the next probable numbers, if tomorrow closes above 25,130 level, that is today's high. At least 30 minutes candle or one hour candle should be closed above that 25,130 mark. Then the probable higher numbers would be 25,220 and 25,333. And coming to main pivot points, so 25,190 is showcasing as one important resistance for weekly, and 25,650 to 25,700 would be the major resistance points for Nifty for this month. So today it cleared that 25,017, so which is the top CPR value for monthly levels. So 25,018 is one of the important level, which is top CPR line for monthly levels. Today it's closed above that level, so we may expect 25,650 to 25,700 would be the this month's major resistance for Nifty. If it closes above 25,700, so we may go till 26,000 levels for this September month. So coming to Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty last 2 days, both Monday and Tuesday, it was closed above that 51,000 mark, which is very important level for Bank Nifty. So 100%, 78.6% is indicating at 51,400 level. So yesterday and today, both days was facing somewhat resistance at 51,400 level. So tomorrow, if it closes above 51,400, at least for half an hour, So 51,877 would be the next probability number for the Bank Nifty. And today's data, 51,272 was the closing price and high was 51,366. So 51,252 is indicating 61.8% of last week's range. So both 61.8% last week and last month's range was cleared based on yesterday's and today's closing. So the next probable numbers would be 51,750 and 51,877 are the next good numbers for Bank Nifty. So coming to major pivot points, so 52,272, 52,330 would be the major resistance for Bank Nifty for this month. 51,400 and 51,730 would be the major resistance for this week. So both today and yesterday, both days it was phased 51,400 was the major resistance. Coming to IT, so IT clearly we mentioned yesterday's analysis. So 78.6% of last month's range was indicating at 41,826 levels. So today it was clearly touched that 42,913 level, which is last month's high, 42,914. So here today's high also indicating 42,937. So both as per weekly and monthly data, which is indicating above that 61% and 100% levels. So the next probable number for IT would be 43,300 levels. And coming to major pivot points, 43,000 is indicating the next support resistance for this week, and 44,300 to 44,500 would be the major resistance for this month. Coming to index movers, so Nifty Plus is specifically designed for single glance of all the major indices on Nifty, Bank Nifty, IT and Reliance. So today intraday it was showing upward momentum for Nifty and Bank Nifty and IT also, and Reliance it was in some neutral momentum. So 19 out of 22 positive observations succeeded on Nifty and 15 out of 22 positive observations succeeded on Bank Nifty and 22 out of 22 positive observations succeeded on IT. So coming to last 2 days data, Nifty was still in neutral zone. So 8 out of 22 positive observations, and Bank Nifty 15 out of 22 clearly it was showing upward momentum, and IT neutral and Reliance also neutral. So tomorrow IT and Bank Nifty, if anyone continues the upward momentum, so Nifty may retest once again 24,200 to 24,300 levels. Coming to Nifty 10, so Nifty 10, which is the top 10 heavyweights from the Nifty. So majority are indicating upward momentum, 5 out of 10 are indicating upward momentum. Infosys, L&T, TCS, Bharati Airtel, Axis Bank are showcasing upward momentum. None of the major counters are in downward momentum. So either in upward momentum or neutral momentum. Here also in weekly data, last 2 days data, 5 out of 10 are showing in upward momentum and 5 out of 10 are showing in neutral momentum. So majorly HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, ITC, Bharati Airtel and Axis Bank are showcasing upward momentum on Nifty. Bank Nifty, 12 out of 10 are the major counters. So 8 are showcasing in neutral, but here from last 2 days, 6 out of 10 are showcasing in upward momentum. So HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank, AU Bank are showcasing upward momentum. And coming to IT, so IT last 2 days data, so 6 are showing in neutral and 3 are in positive side. So majorly LTI Mindtree, Persistent Systems, Coforge are showcasing in upward momentum. So coming to mid cap also for majorly comparatively all the indices. So mid cap is showcasing somewhat negative momentum, but overall index is showing upward momentum only. 13 out of 22 positive observations succeeded. So Indian Hotels, Persistent, Coforge are showing upward momentum. So Monthly data, still it is showing some neutral momentum on mid-cap Nifty. So Indian Hotels, Persistent, Coforge, these three are showcasing upward momentum, and remaining all are showing in neutral momentum. So no much downside momentum even on mid-cap Nifty. So coming to NSE Plus, so the speedometers are showcasing Nifty still it's in hold condition. So banks are in strong buy and IT are in hold condition. So overall, either IT or Bank Nifty, if it continues their up momentum tomorrow, we may see Nifty either 25,200 levels or 25,300 levels. So coming to heat maps, based on last 2 days data, so Divi Slab was up by 5.5%, LTI Inventory was up by around 3%. So major downside, HDFC Life around 5% down, NGC around 4.5% down, SBI Life around 2%, 2.5% down, BPCL around 1.7% down. So that's all about today's analysis. So tomorrow we are conducting one webinar to understand the Tradabulls application, evening 6:30 to 7:30. So whoever wants to take the details, so our technical team provides the webinar details in the description. So that's all about today's analysis. We'll meet on tomorrow's analysis. Thank you so much.